Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, everybody, and it's a great day here in Sweden, but the good news is it's a BMW M Day. So let's get into this BMW M5 from 2018 and check it out. Alright. Always a good day for me when I get into a BMW, and especially an M BMW. Right, the M5. Well, this one is, like I said earlier, it's a 2018 model. It comes with 600 brake horsepower. It's also got the M package on it, with that includes the seats. As you can see, very nice bolstered M seats here. It's also got this little bit here that comes out, which I can't do from here, but trust me, that happens. I like this sort of brushed aluminium carbon effect it's got here as well, really nice. Right, speaker system, Bowers and Wilks. Apparently that's really a nice high-end set. Right, so let's turn it off, or turn it on, should I? As you can see, the steering wheel moves into its rightful place. It's got that kind of virtual dash thing going on there as well. Really nice for BMW. I really like these dials. This is so unusual from the normal BMWs. This one is way out there. I mean, tell me in the comments if I'm overreacting, but that dash looks a little bit special. Over here, you're going to get the professional navigation system, as you've grown to know in these BMWs. Still got this iDrive set up here, but look at this. Look, it's really nice. Look, it's Sweden. That's where we are. Oi, and there's a globe. Let's go back. All right, so that works really nicely. I'm not going to go through the functions there because, let's face it, we all know how that works. Really nice finish on this car. I mean, I really like that. It's like a charging plate under there as well for your smartphone. A couple of cup holders and some USB connectivity there as well. That's really nice. Outside of the car, carbon fiber. We've got a little carbon fiber lip on the back of the boot there, spoiler, and also the roof as well, fully carbon, weight saving. Because let's not forget, this thing is a family saloon, but it's also a bit of a beast. So let's get it down the road and see what it can do. But before we do that, of course, this we've got to check out the M steering wheel as well. Look at this. It's got your M1, M2 settings, so you can set the car up exactly how you want it. Everything here, as you would expect, right, heated steering as well on this one as well. Phone connectivity, paddles. Right, this is running from an automatic box, but we know how good these are. You can also set your car up here as well. Let's try and see if we can set something up here. Right, head-ups display as well, as you can see on the menu there. So it's got like the M Plus drive, so it's four-wheel drive, of course, four-wheel sport, and you can even set it to two-wheel drive as well if you choose. That's pretty cool. Straight away. You can hear that growl. Straight away. You are definitely in an M car, baby. Actually, this is the first time I've ever been driving an M5, so I'm working my way nicely through all the M cars. So it's M2, M3, M5, M4 maybe I need to investigate, but that's for a later episode. Right, but let's stick with the M5 for now. This is, you can just feel the grip. I can feel all four tyres on this while I'm driving this. I know exactly what the backs are doing, and I know exactly what the fronts are doing. And there's absolute involvement with the driver. big old unit, but it doesn't really give you that impression when you're driving around in it. Sit nice and low. The seats are really nice and huggy. This car is ready to go places, and really quickly. Little touch of the gas. And you can feel this thing is just pulling the whole world along with you. It's got some crazy torque in this thing. I'm not exactly sure about the torque figures actually, but whatever it is, it's high. Trust me. Just going to drive it a bit, and then we're going to make sure that it's nice and warm, and then so we get some noise effects from outside of this car at some point, if it doesn't start raining, that is. So we'll see how it goes. So, as you can see, I hope this car is a bit special. It's an absolute beast. Lots of fun. I mean, it's a perfect family car. Loads of room in the boot. Loads of room inside the car. Cruiser, call it what you want. 600 brake horse on it. Big V8, twin turbos, bucket loads of fun, and it's for sale. And as usual, all the details are in the description below. autogroupenrb.se. You can go there, you get all the details on the car that I've missed. So if you're interested, you can pick this up now. It's for sale as of the 25th of October 2020. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We've got some really good stuff lined up for you in future episodes. We just got to get rid of this 2020. 2021 is going to be a great year for the channel. So click on the like, subscribe if you like the content, because we've got more coming your way. So until next time, we'll see you all again back here on Cars of Sweden Live. Cheers.